Now here's how we can translate calls on iPhone running the iOS 26. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss anything important. But also, the condition is that you are running the iOS 26. So open up settings, check out general and a software update to see if you are running the latest version. But if you are, you can just go to the phone app, right, and just perform a regular call, right? So you can call the people which you called in the past or whatever. But when you go to the call page, you're going to tap on the more option and the live translation should appear right there. So you can pick a language and whatnot, similar to when I showed you how you can translate the messages, right? You can also do the same thing for the calls. So I guess it works fine. So yeah, that's how you can basically go ahead and do this. Now, I'm really curious to know if you managed to find it and if it worked on your device specifically. So let me know about that. Most definitely subscribe. And if it worked, hit the thumbs up and I'm going to catch you later in the next tutorials.